For this challenge, I spent 7 days trying to improve my handwriting. And I had no idea how chaotic my writing really was until I looked at my day 1 sample letters tilted in every direction, weird spacing, and lines that wandered like I was writing on a moving bus. On day 1, I analyzed my natural writing style to see what needed the most help, and the answer was basically everything. So I focused on slowing down and writing each letter deliberately just to get a baseline. On day 2, I practiced consistency by writing the alphabet repeatedly, paying attention to keeping the height and slant the same so my handwriting didn't look like 3 different people had written the same sentence. Day 3 was about spacing, which sounds minor until you realize that bad spacing can make neat letters still look messy. So I practiced using guidelines to keep my words evenly spread out instead of squished together. By day 4, I studied different handwriting styles: print, cursive, monoline, and more to figure out which one felt natural for me. And I ended up creating a hybrid style that looked cleaner without feeling forced. On day 5, I worked on speed because writing slowly looks good but is totally useless in real life. I practiced writing faster without letting the quality fall apart. And at first it absolutely did, but eventually I found a balance. Day 6 focused on smoothness and flow, so I practiced long sentences to reduce choppy strokes and make my handwriting look connected and confident. Finally, on day 7, I compared my new writing to day 1, and the difference was honestly shocking. Same person, completely different vibe. The biggest lesson from 7 days of handwriting improvement is that handwriting isn't about being naturally gifted. It's about building muscle memory through small, consistent habits. If you want to try this challenge yourself, pick a style you like, practice your alphabet slowly, and then train your speed and spacing until everything clicks together. By the end of the week, your handwriting can go from messy and rushed to something you're actually proud to show people. And the transformation feels incredibly satisfying. Subscribe my YouTube channel Money I Tech.